Hi everyone, welcome to Like Online. This is Lorena. Today I would like to introduce a high-end dining table for you. This one from the outlook is obviously very heavy. You can see for the material is in MDF and with the stainless steel decoration. This one is very popular in British market, so that's why we would like to recommend this to you. And for the material, for the top is in MDF with the matte painting here. And for the top here is a layer of sanded glass. So with this kind of scratches proof glass, I think this more safe if you have any children in your home. And also for the base is also in MDF with a stainless steel decoration. And secondly, for the tabletop, you can see is extensional table. If you use like this way, it can accommodate 6 to 8 people. Or if you extend it to a larger size, it can accommodate 8 to 10 people. If you would like a reunion with your family, or if your friend come to a visit, this is a very good item for you. And also for the chair, we choose a gray fabric chair. Firstly, you can see it's a 160 swiveling function, and it can go back automatically. And also for the fabric, we choose the very soft gray linen fabric. And I think this fabric, we got quite much color to choose for you. And also from the feeling, it's very soft. And also we put some wrinkles here. And so this one, I think the gray color matches the white color and also your decoration quite much. If you're willing to choose this set, welcome to leave us a message below. The product we are introducing now is a round-shaped dining table, which is made of MDF. And on the top, we put a layer of clear glass. And to make it more aesthetic, we put layer of marble painting pattern in the middle. And also for the base, we put the gray painting with the MDF, of course. And also this table is very stable. You can see it's not shakeable. And also for the round size, I think it's more suitable if your target customer is a small family, because it's more good for a family reunion. And also to match the gray color fabric chair, I think this one is more suitable for the light color of your decoration. And for these two chairs are both very popular in our market. The first one, the coral chair, this is originally from the design, and the chair back is like a shell. And also for the leg, we make it more thinner. I think this one looks more neat and tidy, and also this kind of round shape is a great match to the dining table. And also for the fabric, I recommend you to choose the 4 colors like the gray, dark gray, and light gray, and also the most two like this kind of army green and the navy blue color. So these 4 colors are most popular among our customers. And also, of course, if you would like to choose a more economic chair, I recommend you to choose this one, which is also very popular in our company. And this one for the back is also originally from a shell. And also for the seat is originally from a very round angle as well. And also with the thin leg and the kitty structure. This one is also good for the export. And also, of course, if you would like to choose to buy this side together, that would be a great match. And also, of course, if you're interested to choose the color fabric or the color of the painting, welcome to leave us a message or contact with our salesperson. The product we are introducing now is a dining table and with our top one dining chair. So from the color of the dining top, I'd say most of people would like to choose wooden color because it can build up a very caring dining atmosphere. So that's why the wooden color is the most popular color among all the countries, no matter in China or the European countries. And of course, wood is more expensive than the MDF or the melamine. So that's why we would like to choose more effective product. This one is made in melamine tabletop and black metal legs. And the metal mini, I think this is very good if you have some children in your home, because if they drop some sharp like forks or the knives, it will be fine. And also for the size of this table, if you like just to put this side, it can accommodate 6 people. And if you prefer a larger size, you can make it extensional and it can accommodate 8 people. And also for the staple, you don't need to worry because the metal is like very thick. And also export business, it has a very high loadability in the containers. And also, of course, the price is very good. That's why we would like to match the same price level dining chair. Like this one is our top 1 dining chair, and this one is still the top 1 in 2020 until 2021. And also the most popular fabric is in microfiber, like this one, PK number 4. And also for the structure, this kind of one-piece like structure, it has a very high loadability, like 1100 pieces in a 40 haiku container. And also, if you are holding a promotional selling, I highly recommend you to choose this set. And if you're interested in this product, welcome to contact with ourselves or leave a message below. The product I'm introducing right now is a round dining table and a very lovely small dining chair. So the tabletop is in artificial stone and with the marble effect pattern for the tabletop. And also I think with this kind of pattern, this is like the ice cream, so I think it can improve your appetite. And also for the maybe you think it's very complicated, but actually it can be assembled into 4 pieces. So for the export, this is very good. And also with so many round legs, you can see it's very stable. So I think it's quite safe if you have children or elder people in your house. And also I think it's a good table if 5 or 4 people or friends to come together, so you can gather around and have a meal together. And also for the lovely chair, you can see it has a polo here. I think first of all it looks more stylish, and also for the usage, I think for us it's very convenient to move like this. And when you do some cleaning or you want to adjust the position in your house, so those are all very convenient. And also for the fabric, this is a new high quality PU. So this PU, it has a kind of non-figure effect. You don't need to worry it is clean or not, because it's always very clean. If you drop some oil, you just need to wipe. So I think this is very convenient. And also for the stability, actually we have done so many tests. So although it's very small, you don't need to worry about the weight. It can accommodate 120 kilograms, so don't need to worry about it. And at last, I think for this kind of curvy shape, it is very comfortable for the person who sits on it. And we will never get tired. So I think this kind of curvy shaped together with the round dining table, this one is a great match because it can save a lot of space. So if you're interested in this product, welcome to contact with us. And of course, if you think this kind of leg is too complicated, we are offering another leg. You can see right now on the screen the normal 4 legs. This can match as well with this chair. Of course, they both have the 4 legs, and also for the loadability is much more higher than the complicated legs. The product I'm introducing now is the high quality extensional dining table. The tabletop is made of MDF with a layer of matte glass. With this kind of matte glass, customers can easily get rid of the dirt, for example, like the spoiled oil or a drink. And also for the base, is made of MDF, and the great painting as well. When you see the quality, it's strong enough to make the table stable. And also, secondly, for the extensional function, I think it's a good choice for the gathering. And also for the extensional way, it's a kind of automatic butterfly, so which is very convenient if you want to unfold or fold. And I think it's a great choice if you have people to visit. I guess this dining table is suitable for a new married couple. Just imagine your customer is a new married couple and they can have a candlelight dinner in their house. And also this kind of extensional table provides more possibility for the customer. For example, if they have a small family to a medium-large family, like they can use non-extended way and it can help them to save more space. Or if their friends come to a visit, like 8 to 10 people, and also they can use the extension way. And I think this kind of automatic extensional table provide more space, provide them more possibility for the gathering. And also for the dining chair, this swiveling dining chair is a kind of top several sellers in YouLike. And first of all, the simple outlook is welcomed by many customers. And secondly, the swiveling function has a very good quality. So I think you can see it's very smooth. And also with this kind of hollow, it's very convenient to clean the seat and also to move when you're cleaning. And also for the fabric, you could choose like the linen fabric and also velvet. And also for the leg, I think most of people would like to choose black painting. And I think if you would like to choose a set of high-end and high-quality dining sets, I highly recommend you this site. And if you want to know more information, welcome to leave us a message.